Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of My Life in the Mountain Kingdom of Lesotho. My name is Adriana, and today I want to take you through a typical day in my life as a farmer of harvesting potatoes and cleaning them and basically just getting them ready for the market. So after several months of waiting, from the planting to the hilling to basically just taking care of the crops and ensuring that they are healthy and well, it's finally time to harvest. And this year I'm seeing some of the biggest potatoes that I've ever seen in my life and career as a farmer. I mean, just look at the size of these spuds. They are so big, and I'm just so amazed at what the Lord has done. And this is not the only good news, you guys. Remember last year I had to dig them by hand, and this year my dad made this custom-made DIY potato digger, which is saving me a lot of time and energy to dig them. So I'm just so grateful, you guys. So this is my dad, Ivan, you guys. It's a long story about how a bunch of Ukrainian Canadians ended up in a village in rural Africa. But that's a story for another day, I guess. So today I caught him on his lunch hour, and he's gonna go ahead and dig a few rows of potatoes for me because I want him to be the one operating the tractor just in case something happens, because we are still in the testing phase of the potato digger, and also just in case he has to do a few modifications on it. So I have a bit of help today, and as my dad is digging the potatoes, we just follow behind the tractor and pick them up and load them onto wheelbarrows, and we'll just take them home to get washed and packaged. And my farm is just across the road from my home, so it's not very far, so we'll just keep on removing them from the ground and we'll take them home. So like I said before, you guys, this potato digger is a lifesaver. And as you know, I used to dig potatoes by hand using a spade, and if you haven't seen a video from last year, I'll just go ahead and link that down in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and just keep on removing the potatoes as they are being dug. And what used to take me an entire day to dig up by hand can now be done in a minute, and I thank God for that. I'm so happy, and Jesus gets all the glory, you guys. So we're just gonna go ahead and keep on picking the potatoes and loading them up on wheelbarrows, and some of the guys are just gonna go ahead and help me by taking the loads home and then coming back for more. And my dad will just keep on digging more rows until I have enough of what I need for today. So stick around, because later on in the video I'm gonna show you how we get them cleaned up and washed and packaged as well.
Lord, we lift you up. Onyo mame, Nara kelem jiribia. You've done so much for me, I cannot tell it all. Nara kelemo. If I had 10,000 tongues, won't be enough. Narekele mo.
Chukuna guamarele. When you heal completely. Narekele mo. Chukuma robi mo. Isi inkengile mo. Narekele mo.
What shall I render to Jehovah? For he has done so very much for me.
What shall I render to Jehovah? For he has done so very much for me. Hey. Nara, Nara, Narikele, Narikele mo.
Nara, Nara, Narekele, Narekele mo.
So we lift you up, Jesus.
Lift you up, Jesus.
Glorify your name.
Hey.
To you be all the worship and praise. Forever and ever and ever. Ooh. Woo. It's done so much for me, I cannot tell it all. Yeah. Tell it all.
If I had 10,000 tongues, still won't be enough, Jesus.
Chukuna guamarele. When you hear completely. Yeah. Tell it all.
Chukuma robi mo.
Isi inkengile mo.
What shall I render to Jehovah? For he has done so very much for me. What shall I?
So once we have picked up all the potatoes from the ground and they are all back home, we now begin to wash them. And this is still done manually, you guys. I don't have a mechanized way of doing this just yet, but surely the Lord is faithful, and soon enough he will provide, and we will be able to have a more mechanized way of doing this. So today we are in a bit of a hurry. As you can see, we're just rushing and running around because we have to prepare an order for a customer that will be here in a few hours. So after we wash them, we place them on this net here until they are fully dry, and then they'll get sorted according to sizes: small, medium, large, extra large, and they are put in potato bags.
What shall I render to Jehovah?
And soon enough, our customers are here and they are loading up their order. So guys, this is pretty much what I've been up to for the last 2 weeks: harvesting potatoes, getting them washed, delivering orders, attending to customers. So that is why I haven't been able to upload much. So I do apologize. Please bear with me. And for those of you that are new here, once again, my name is Adriana from the beautiful mountain kingdom of Lesotho, called by the grace of God to become a farmer and also called as a minister of the gospel of Jesus Christ. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well so that you'll be the first to know every time I upload. Bye.